Hey there, this is Tia, and I know you are here to know how to remove this Bitmoji, or some people call it as avatar. I saw some videos and those people are suggesting to download some app called Bitmoji, and that method is not working as well. So don't worry, I'll show you the easiest way to remove this avatar. Just click on this gear icon and you will see this option named as Bitmoji. Tap on it and here you will see Unlink My Bitmoji on the bottom. Tap on it then tap on Unlink. Now you can see that you have removed your avatar. Like and subscribe for more such videos and I will catch you in the next one.